Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a milestone in your projects on GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your project on GanttPro. You can access these by clicking into all projects here on the left panel and by selecting your project. So let me go with that example project I created for demonstration purposes, and let's use the Gantt chart for this tutorial. So what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that list of tasks that will be inside your project, and you will see them listed here, for example, with subtasks. So you can, for example, expand or collapse the parent task here. And below, guys, in the next line, you will see these two options, add a task and add a milestone. Now, creating a milestone is slightly different than converting a task into a milestone. So let me show you how to do that. Click into add a milestone here, give it a name. Let me give it a name like milestone 1 or something like that. Press enter or confirm by clicking into that check mark. And milestones are marked with a symbol like this here on your Gantt chart, or for example in the calendar, and also in the board. So guys, what you want to do is simply double click into the given symbol or milestone, and here to the right you can, or you will be given the opportunity to, for example, track its progress, change its status from open to in progress, done, closed, change its priority, and treat it basically the same way as a task. And that's basically it. Now, of course, you can add assignees. Let me also set a due date. We have a start date, and we have also, let me go with the start date on Christmas Eve. So guys, yeah, you can convert it into a task. You can delete it by clicking to these three dots in the top right corner. Leave comments at the bottom, milestone or something like that. And that's it. Let me send that comment. That's how to do it. You can, of course, move that milestone here along your timeline to set a, for example, a beginning and also an end date. And these two circles here, guys, will allow you to connect your milestone with other milestones or tasks, or create dependencies. So, for example, create a second milestone or another task, I will be given the opportunity to connect these. Like, for example, if I release my left mouse while hovering, or by putting that handle here over that circle next to the neighboring task, and now both are connected. There's a dependency, guys, and you will see the task dependency here. So it's almost the same way as customizing and organizing your tasks, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.